Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is My Computer. Let's move on to the next slide. Students, in the previous class we have already learned many things about computers. Today we are going to revise all those things and then we will be familiar with each and every word. Let's start with the definition of computer. Now, what is a computer? It is an electronic machine. When you enter data and instructions in a computer, it processes it and gives out the result. Computer is one of the best friend of humans because it is used almost everywhere. Now the next slide is parts of computer. The computer is mainly divided into two parts. One is computer hardware and the other is computer software. Now what is hardware, students? The hardware of a computer comprises of all the physical parts that we can touch and feel. Now let's see some examples. First is mouse, keyboard, printer, webcam, speakers, monitor, joystick, microphone, etc. Now the next part is software. It is a set of instructions given to a particular program of the computer. It instructs the computer on how to do a task. Now, in simple language, let me explain this again. It is a program that we cannot touch or hold. Okay. Now, the examples of software are Notepad, WordPad, Paint, MS Word, etc. Now, let us discuss the working of a computer. A computer works in three simple steps, that is input, process, output. These three steps together form the IPO cycle. Let us understand these terms one by one. Input. We enter data into the computer and tell the computer what to do with it. For example, mouse and keyboard help us to give input to the computer. They are also called as input devices. Now the next step is done by the CPU. The processing is done by the CPU. Now the third step, that is output. The output after the processing is completed, the final result is displayed on the output devices like monitor, printer, etc. Let's see some more examples from our day-to-day life. In the first example, the mangoes are input. The process is blending of mangoes. The output is a glass of delicious mango shake. Now, in the second example, the vegetables are input. Cooking vegetables is process and the output is a tasty food. Now, there is one more example of computer. Let's see this example. 7, 3 plus. These are input. Now, here 7 and 3 are data and the instruction given here is plus. The processing is done in the CPU, that is 7 plus 3. The answer here is 10. The output is displayed on the monitor. So in this way the computer works in three steps. Now let's discuss some of the important features of a computer. First is speed. A computer works very fast. It can do millions of calculations in a few seconds. Second is accuracy. A computer never makes mistakes. A human can make mistakes in calculation, but a computer can never. It is very accurate and reliable. The third is versatility. A computer can do many different tasks efficiently. It can perform various tasks like drawing, playing, games, music, etc. The fourth is memory. We take a lot of time to memorize various things, but a computer can store a large amount of information. Its memory is very wide. Now, let us revise these points. Speed. It works very fast. Versatility. It can perform many different tasks. It can even do a single work many times without getting tired or bored. Accuracy. It never makes mistakes. Storage. A computer is a vast storage machine. The last part of this chapter is uses of computer. There are hundreds of uses of computer, children, but we are going to study only some of them here. The first is we can do calculations in a computer. We can draw and color pictures. We can play our favorite games. We can listen to music. We can watch videos and movies. We can send and receive letters. We can store large amount of information in a computer. Let's revise these points one more time. Uses of computer. It is used to do calculations. We can listen to music. We can watch movies and videos online. We can type letters and reports. We can chat with our family members and friends. We can buy and sell products on internet. We can play games online. Students, with this video, I am sharing a PDF file. Please go through all the exercises and write them down in your computer notebook. Hope today's session was interactive. We'll meet next week. Stay safe and stay healthy.